All right, guys, so we got snow. We got our Mini 2. Pretty cold, but this is a real life example I wanted to show you to be conscious of when we have this kind of moist air in the winter. And if you see on the props, I don't know if you could see that, but it's one of those things where you really got to look closely. But there is little condensation buildup. See that? And that little amount of ice can start to form on your props and cause you to have issues. So you want to be really conscious of that. And if you see, I can wipe it off and you see it turns into water, but then it's going to freeze again. So I would definitely check your props every maybe 10 minutes, 5 minutes if you're really wanting to fly in this type of condition. So I'm going to take it in my car, wipe the props with a towel gently and ensure that there's no ice, and then when it melts there's no water liquid on the props. So you can see it's really minor, but that will add up when it's on all the props. See that ice forming around there? So watch this. Rub the props. But you see that at the end? You don't want to have that building up on all 8 props essentially on this little Mini. So something to be conscious of when you're flying. Again, definitely pay attention because it's no joke when you're flying in these types of wintry conditions. You can get ice buildup and it can cause you to crash. So don't just think you could fly an entire battery without looking at your drone. Hope this helps, guys. Happy New Year.